Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the charts here, shall we? Oh my goodness, Bitcoin broke out and got all the way up to the $48,000 level. This looks like a Bart Simpson pattern coming up. What do you think?
Maybe, maybe not. Let's find out in the video.
All right, we're going to find out exactly that. I'm here joined with Max. Max is a YouTuber also. He has a German channel.
Yes.
Called Crypto Deutschland.
Yes, exactly.
Crypto Deutschland. So if you speak German, right, you could also watch his channel. Links in the description below. All right. Oh, you have an English channel coming up, right, son?
Yeah, I have an English channel coming up called Crypto International, and yeah, there you can expect daily uploads on English.
Awesome, awesome. Well, I might head over to his channel and do a video on his channel as well. I don't speak German, but you know, I'm sure we could.
We get it translated, no problem.
Well, anyways, Ben, it's been an exciting weekend, right? Hopefully, you got into that major trade as it broke out. If you didn't, don't worry about it. The market's always here, and you could always trade this stuff at bybit.davincij15.com or femex.davincij15.com. All right, well, we're doing this live in front of my audience, right? You've met everybody, right?
Yes.
And there's only a few of us right now, but hey, we're a growing group. And if you want to watch this live, you can do so by, subscribing at davincij15.com. Even if you missed the live show, it is recorded, and you can watch all the previous live shows because we do have an archive of all the live shows that we did. All right, so let's get on to the technical analysis, right? Boom. Wow. This moved really fast. Do you remember what happened there?
Yes, really crazy move, really fast. I missed it. I'm really sad about it. But I think it will come back, and then we can enter our trade.
Yes, the markets will always be here. So never, whenever you miss a trade, don't freak out. Don't go, oh my gosh, right? And try to force another trade.
Yes.
That will always get you in a lot of trouble.
Yes, I know. Yes.
So the market will always be here. So I think, right, if we draw fibs here, I think we're topped out here, don't you think? But you're saying no. But let's take a look at what the Fibonacci sequence does say. Okay, hang on. I need to move this down a bit. There we go. And I'm going to get rid of the indicators for now. And if we move this all the way up to the top here of the 52, what was that? Was it 53,000 almost? We have to break through that 53 if you ask me, if we're going to really go bullish and break through the all-time highs. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I think we have to break the golden pocket, and now we are struggling with the golden pocket, so we have to break it, and then it's maybe possible to reach our price targets, our bullish price target from 52,000, and the price target of the falling wedge is of course the top of the wedge. I think it's 52,000 or 53,000, and if we break the golden pocket, I think we can reach it. What are you thinking about this?
Well, which golden pocket are you talking about? This is the 61.8.
Yeah,
right?
I know. Yes.
And there's 61.8 right here, right? This is the 61.8 which we got rejected from, and now you see at this 61.8 there is a rejection that's pretty similar to this one. Right? Yes. A little bit playing out here.
I don't hope we get this crash.
so at this 61.8, which is at the 47,900 almost. It's not looking so healthy. And if we bring up the indicators, what do we see? Is that would you consider that divergence there?
Yes, maybe.
Yeah. So whenever you see bearish divergence, you know what you need to do is cool your jets when you're looking for longs, right? If bulls got to go. Okay, hold on. I gotta slow down here.
Yeah, maybe we go down or sideways, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, we have to be careful, of course, yes.
Exactly. So I really think that there's a good chance that this thing goes sideways for a little bit longer, and we actually end up, barting right back down, right? We're just going up and down here, and then oops. No.
I hope not, but it's a possible scenario. I think that we go sideways or a bit down, and then we see like a small crash because we had a big fast move, and now we are consolidating, and after that it's likely that we get another big move, maybe to the upside, maybe to the downside. We can trade both the breakout. Yeah,
well, most likely we'll come back to the $45,000 dollar level if we break down where the breakout was, and then probably hold the breakout level and then come back up if we do burn that back down. So I'm looking for a trade down there. I'm not looking for a trade up here because it's just too dangerous, right? It's too you can see that there's the momentum's turned against us, and yeah, we're not it's not looking happy. Of course, this is Bitcoin.
Yes,
Bitcoin
happen. Is king. In 5 years,
yes,
Bitcoin will be really high.
And anything can happen with Bitcoin,
yes.
Right? All right, looking over at Ethereum, right? As you can see, we have a rising wedge, a rising trend channel here. Actually, sorry, it's a even trend channel, it looks like, and we're like off the bottom of this trend channel. This trend channel is a little bit too steep, if you ask me. I don't think we're gonna like.
If we close the candle, we are in the 4 hourlies. If we close it down, I think it will look bearish in the next few hours. So we have to wait here in this moment, I think, and when we are closing the candles under, looks bearish.
Yeah, it does. It's just that there's also the trend line, the support line, which is, you can see it remains support here at what was it? Is that really 33? Oh my God, I hate them. $33,033.33. Bastards. Oh man, man, this is like, the evil symbology, right? With 666 and stuff like that. So it's just half of that, right?
Yeah, so maybe we bounce from that, but that's unlikely, I think.
Yes, it's not looking likely. In that case, it's not looking likely for Bitcoin.
Yeah, Bitcoin.
You have to admit that, right?
Yeah, we'll follow, I think.
Yeah, so I would consider a short here, because if we bring up the indicators, and this means I would consider a short on Bitcoin, but we'll talk about where we'd short Bitcoin in a second. But what I would suggest you do is wait for Ethereum. It loves to go back and I'm going to go ahead, and then boom, come back up. So I would get your fibs and do the Hail Mary on this one. So for all those people who don't know what my Hail Mary is, I'm sure you don't know what my Hail Mary is. Basically, is you draw the fib from the top, from the bottom to the top, if you're going to a Hail Mary short. And we're going to zoom in on that so you guys can actually see that nonsense, because it's like really tiny. So let me just zoom in, and so that you guys see it. And so right there, the Hail Mary is at the 78.6, where you take this hit, the 78.6, and the reason why I call this thing the Hail Mary, because you do a short from the Hail Mary, from the 78.6, and you stop loss it at the swing high, of course. And the reason why this is called the Hail Mary, because whenever the market comes at you, comes back at you, it usually comes back fast, especially on Ethereum. And you're like, Hail Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now. Did I make a mistake? Oh my God!
So it's the Hail Mary.
So yeah, that's why I call it the Hail Mary. I
remember it.
Yes, exactly. It's a good one to remember. So yeah, a 61.8. It should be your entry, and maybe a 2% loss. Well, this is a 1%, so there you go. Just 2% losses right here. Is at the swing high. So there you go, and that would be your trade, right? No guarantees from the management, right? But the trading is a risk, so make sure that you only put in 5%. You're going to only lose a maximum of 5% of whatever you have in your trading portfolio. So
I think that's much. I would recommend 2.5% maximum.
Yeah, but that's the absolute
max. Is better.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, but yeah, he's right. You should really start lower, but this is the absolute max. If you're 100% confident in the trade, right, then you could go to 5%. But that's the absolute max.
Yeah, I think if you are an experienced trader, you can increase it. But if you are a beginner, you should go really slow, and only place money you are able to lose.
Yes, exactly. All right. Well, I was gonna go over dominance, right? But basically, the dominance is just like sideways, undecided. It still hasn't figured out what it wants to do.
Yes, we're waiting for the breakout.
Exactly. And so, yeah, the crypto bubbles are still bleeding out a little bit here. And look at this. It's like, oh well, that gives you opportunity to buy some alts on the cheap. Okay. Well, Max, I mean, it's great having you on the show. I'd like to know, how did you get into crypto?
Yeah, I broke up with school and wanted to make like my own business, be my own boss, and started to invest in crypto because I saw your YouTube videos, the videos of Chris and so, and yes, it worked pretty well. Then I came with my friends to Dubai. We are all doing crypto trading. We started YouTube, make videos and educate other people to do the same.
Nice.
And yeah, we met on a party.
Yes, exactly. Your birthday party, actually,
yes,
right?
my birthday party in
Yeah.
September.
Oh,
Yes.
It was a great party, man. We had a lot of fun, man.
Yes.
So, do you think Bitcoin's going to last forever?
Yeah, of course. 100%.
All right. Why? Because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for
Of
watching.
course.
Bye now.
Thanks for watching. Bye.